Vape review. The Nano by Oukitel, or Oukitel. A brand new pod system vape from this company right here, Oukitel. I'm gonna say Oukitel, I think. Yeah, that feels right, you know what I mean? If you search this company on Google, you're not gonna find like a bunch of different pod systems and vapes. You're gonna find cell phones.
Cell phones? Yeah.
Cell phones, yeah, freaking cell phones. And that is a trend that I hope continues. I would love to see some of these big cell phone companies see what they could do with this kind of stuff.
Dude, maybe we might actually get an Apple-inspired vape.
Yeah. Anyways, this is a new pod system. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna vape it. We're gonna do all that good stuff right here in a second. But right off the bat, man, this thing feels and looks really nice. Check it out. This is it kind of reminds me of a spaceship. It's got a really nice finish to it. It feels nice. You can tell it's high quality. Hopefully it vapes good. Hopefully the battery's on it's good, and hopefully it's durable. Can it handle this?
Oh shit!
All right, let's talk about this Oukitel Nano kit. Let's go. All right, here it is, the Nano. What's going on, Kane?
What's going on?
What do you think about this thing, dude?
Well, dude, it's called the Nano, but it's huge.
It is pretty big,
yeah,
you know?
It's got a sick looking coil down in there, bro.
Oh yeah?
Dude, it's
you can actually see the coil?
Yeah, can you not see that coil, bro?
Oh, that is pretty sick.
Sick looking coil, bro.
That's a sick build.
Here's a closer shot of the Nano by Oukitel. This is like a rainbow color, but it says on the box that it's blue. I don't know. You can also get it in black and red, I believe, but it's a really sharp looking device, very shiny. Here's what the back of it looks like, and here's the top of it. I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but you can actually see the wicking material and stuff like that. Pretty dope, ain't it, Kane?
Yeah, I mean, I think that means that whenever you put juice in it, it probably won't take that long to get juiced up.
All right, well, let's fill this thing up. How do you fill it up, by the way?
You got two little tabs right here.
Oh, yeah?
If I can get my fingernails in there.
Rolo badge from Small.
Okay. So you just flip those back and
Yeah,
you fill it
don't
up. And good news, they don't actually come off, so you're not gonna lose them. Hey, good job, Oukitel.
Today, we are using the blue slushy from Hype.
Something about this juice is it's actually a high VG juice. So if it does well in this pod, we know that just about anything's gonna do well in the pod.
Cloud.
Oh, that's not bad at all. That's a really good size fill hole. So, Cade, you're a big fan of pre-filled pod systems. You like the Juno, you like the Abe, even the Jewel, right?
Yes.
What is it gonna take to get you on one of these open systems where you refill the pod? What is it about the closed systems that you like so much?
The draw.
Is it mostly the draw?
The draw.
Right.
Every refillable pod system, other than my Panda, I don't like. Because I don't like the draw on it. It's not tight enough for me. That's what I want. When I use the small stuff, that's what I use it for. I use it for mouth to lung stuff. I don't want a lot of vapor.
Right, yeah.
I like anything I can get my hands on. I like the pod system pre-filled. I like filling up yourself. I like the big devices. I just like fat clouds, man. I just like blowing them fat clouds.
I like fat clouds too, man. All right? But I'm saying, in pod systems, that's what I look for. Well, I don't want fat clouds in a pod system.
I like something.
Well, I mean, I kind of do, but that's like in the future. It'll take a while.
I think there's two ways you could use this. One, you could vape it.
Right.
You know, fat clouds.
Or a paperweight.
Somebody is trying to rob you. They take your wallet. They run.
Yeah,
Hit it right in the back of the head. They're knocked out. This thing's a brick.
It really is. Here's a closer look at the pod. It's full of juice, right?
Yeah.
And there's the underside there. All right, bulls.
Yeah, dude, it's ready.
All right. Well, you go, dude.
You gotta draw hard on it. That should be good.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Actually.
So how does the draw feel? I mean, is it restricted?
It is restricted. It's really restricted. Yeah, the flavor on it's really good. I'll give it that. Yeah. It's pretty solid to me.
If you like a restrictive pool, you'll like it a lot.
Which, I mean, that's what it is. That's what it's meant for.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it does its job.
This thing, it looks like there's a screen on the front, but there's no screen in there.
Eventually, they'll put on like a little keypad, and you make phone calls with this. Hello?
Yeah, dude, that would be.
Hey, 1 second.
That's what they should have done. So the thing's pretty hefty. If the battery life is pretty good on it, I think it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
This thing here actually has a 400 milliamp, which is freaking huge for something this small.
It really is, yeah.
And especially for how much production it's bringing out, it's going to be running out of low wattage. It's going to last a long time.
Yeah, I would say that this would actually probably last someone maybe 2 days, a day and a half, maybe 2.
Right.
Dude, I give this a good 7.8 out of 10.
All right. What do you think about it?
I'm going to give it about an 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah,
8.5. All right. Well, I'm going to try it now. Do you think I'm going to like it?
Dude, I think you'll like it. I actually really do think you'll like it.
Really?
It seems to be right up your alley.
All right, well, let's give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna be giving it a try now. One thing I do like about this is just how it feels in your hand. I know we talk about that a lot. There are no...
That's a big factor, bro.
It really is, yeah. There's nothing about, it's all smooth. It's all one piece. There's no edges. There's no like slits and dents, indentions. It feels like you're holding a smooth rock you got from the side of the creek. I bet this would skip good on the river. But yeah, it feels good and all that stuff, but how'd she vape though? Let's figure out. Okay. We do have some pretty high VG stuff in here. It is a long draw. It's a warm draw. And the flavor is good. Like, I'm surprised. Usually, when you don't get much vapor production, the flavor lacks a little bit. Now, these pods hold 2 milliliters of liquid, and it actually came with another one. So it came with this one and another one. They've actually already loaded up another one with Salt Nick, so we're gonna try that too. And other than that, man, I have to say my favorite thing about this device has to be the design. So yeah, we're gonna try the other pod that it comes with some Salt Nick. We're gonna give that a go. Let's go. What do you think, Cade? Let's go, man. All right, switch that pod out, Cade. What kind of Salt Nick did you put in there, by the way?
Same Salt Nick we've been using for like past 3 videos.
Air Factory?
Air Factory watermelon.
Gotta love the Air Factory. All right, give it a puff, Cade. And this is with Air Factory. What flavor was it again?
Watermelon, bro.
Oh, okay.
Dude, that's smooth.
Is it better with the Salt Nick?
Trying to be Austin over here. I think this is meant for Salt Nicks, honestly.
Right.
What is this now? 35 Nick?
35 Nick?
35 Nick.
Let's go. That's what it was missing.
Yeah, I can tell the vapor production.
That's what it was missing, man. That's really good.
I can tell the vapor production is a little increased too. I guess this is where
that 3 milligram wasn't cutting it.
Right.
Yeah.
So who is this for, Kane? Who would you recommend this to? If somebody walked in here, we had this on the shelf, they was like, I'm looking for a vape. In what case would you recommend the Oukitel Nano?
If somebody's looking for a really restrictive pull,
Well, I can tell you this, bub, just from the feel of it, man. This thing is durable.
Dude!
Go ahead.
Stop! Go ahead and yeet it! Oh my god.
Now vape it.
what's this?
Get you a good little rip off there.
Vape it and throw it in my ear.
Works like a charm.
Wait a second. This thing is so durable, it reminds me of Crocs, dude. Like, listen here. Dude, I wear them to work, I wear them to school, I wear them on my bed. I sleep in these bitches. And listen, okay, Jarek, Austin, and me, we will, I mean, come on.
What are you wanting them to sponsor you or something?
Yeah. If you're sitting there, if you work for Crocs, you know, put a word in for me.
But yeah, so if you're somebody who, you know, likes to toss their vapor around.
Likes to throw their vape around sometimes, you know what I mean? Like, totally for you, bro.
The Oukitel Nano, good stuff. Now, these things are gonna be about $30 to $35. You can't find this in a lot of places right now. It's a brand new product. We will have it on our website really soon. Just keep an eye on the link in the description. Also, they sent me a few of these, man, so I'm gonna be giving them away on my Instagram, Cade. Hold it up, dude.
God, there's too many followers.
Go look at the picture that has the Oukitel nanos in it. Why can't I talk? Do what it says and you'll be entered to win. Also, make sure you slap a like on this video.
And don't forget,
ring the bell. That's it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Goodbye.